Hello everybody and welcome back to Kiwi Productions. Today I'm going to play a bit of Halo 5. And as you've already read, as you have already read in the name or the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a some kind of super weapon. So let's see. I'll show you guys after I do a couple of battles. So today we're going to just jump right in and we're going to do some big team slayer. Alright, so here we go. Load. Oh my gosh, this is like... Actually, would that be copyright if I said it? No, I'm not gonna say... Wait, would that be copyright if I said that? Okay, I have no idea if that would be copyright if I said that. No, I'm just gonna put it in the description of the video what I thought it was going to be like.
1 minute left.
Unless I forget, of course. If I forget, don't yell at me. But, oh my gosh, this is just like, anyways, I just say this is like a fun game I like to play. And I suck at it. Just like, see in the description if this reminds you of anything. How did I not? Or how did...
30 seconds.
Recharged and ready. Quit lashing out blind!
Sorry, man. Dang it! Alright, anyways,
10 seconds.
10 seconds, yeah. You know, I'm just gonna leave. I don't want to get it.
Round 1.
What? Wait. Alright, there we go. Leave game. Alright, well, anyways, now I'm going to show you guys how to make a super weapon, pretty much. So, you just go to a random forge. I'm going to do most liked. Ooh, red rope. I played that game when I was like, I played that game in like 1st grade. Open to all players. This way, many players can join, and we are going to demolish them. So, and you might be wondering, how are we going to demolish them, Kiwi Productions? I should really make a nickname for myself. You know, make suggestions of what you think the nickname should be in the comments, and I will use whichever one sounds coolest. Alright, so anyways, here we go. Hopefully, the map didn't take up the budget. And anyways, if you guys don't have Halo 5 Forge on the computer, it's free. As long as you have an Xbox account, you can just sign into Xbox on the computer, go to the store, search Halo 5 Forge. It's Halo 5 in Forge mode, except it's all free. It's completely it's completely amazing. So what you're gonna do first is go into game. You know, I'll just deploy that on the field. All right, so. Let's see. What am I supposed to do? You know, I'll show you guys this. Wait. Now I'm able to drop down there, right? Woo! Yay! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Oh no. What? No, you ain't shooting me. Oh, in your face. There we go. And again. No, you ain't shooting me. What's that? Oh yeah, that's just you not shooting me. Woohoo! I don't even know if this is how I'm supposed to play the game. All I know is you're not shooting me. Alright, anyways, now here is how you make it. Go to plus, go to gameplay, weapons, weapon pad, UNSC. What you're going to do is, you're going to just choose any one of these. I am going to choose a rocket launcher. Spinker. Now you want to switch it to one of the Rex. I like to switch it to Prime because like it's cool. Now you go to whichever one you want to switch it to. I just want to do Spartan Laser because it has a really cool effect. Set down the time so you can get it more often. Now watch this. Yeah, this is real. It's pretty amazing. Done. Boom! Yeah, man, that's right. Alright, so now, while he's distracting them, I can go down here and do this. If you guys think that's cool, like and subscribe for more videos. And, oh yeah! And I will also try to, I also post in the comments, like I said, what the name of the game was that's from. I just don't know if it's going to be copyright. I have no idea. I'm clueless about that kind of stuff because I'm new to YouTube. I'm kind of new. This channel is new. And here we go. No, how is he that fast? Okay, that's it. What just happened? No, what is going on? What just happened? What? Okay, what is going on? Wait. Oh, that was just... I'm like attacking myself. Oh, wait, what's going on? No. Oh yeah, that's. There we go. Delete. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now I can just drive right by. So now, I'm going to sabotage him. Sure, where? Oh, that's right! Boom! Yeah, in your face. Oh, snap again. Oh, I just keep on killing you, don't I? Called spawn kill. Boom. Oh my god, this is like so much fun. Even though I'm trolling, it's fun. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You know what, even I'm on the other team, I'm hijacking the Warhog. I kind of do this. Woohoo! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop!
Laser at the ready.
No man, I'm on your team. Oh, you killed me. I gotta admit, that's kind of funny. What's up, bro? Ooh, I like this man. So patriotic. Yeah, that's right. No! You ain't getting my gun. You ain't getting my gun. Boom, and neither are you any trucks. Alright, well anyways guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I showed you guys what I wanted to show you. It's been a lot of fun trolling these guys. I know, trolling's for me.